Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this lovely lemon and blueberry cake. Very easy to do. You can prepare it in a few minutes and it's very soft and very delicious. As you can see, it's so soft and delicious. So first things I'm gonna do in a mixer, I have 4 eggs and 200 grams of sugar. So I put less sugar because this one I was making it for my friends and she doesn't like too much sugar on the cakes. So if you like sweetness, then you put 250 grams of sugar. So after we beat it up a little bit, we're gonna add like a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Also I'm gonna add the zest of 1 large lemon. And just we're gonna keep beating it until it's become all creamy and changes the color like that. Then remove it from the mixer and I'm gonna add 300 grams of flour. So I'm gonna add half and then mix it a little bit together and then add the rest. So just slowly and from down up. Just keep mixing it until all the flour mixed with the eggs, and then I'm gonna add the rest. And I'm gonna add to it 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And again, it's gonna go a little bit thick here, but when you're gonna add the wet ingredients, it's gonna go better. So for the wet ingredients, I have 50 grams of melted butter, 100 ml of milk, juice of 1 lemon, large lemon, and 50 grams of I used the lemon yogurt. You can use natural yogurt as well if you want. I used the lemon one. I'm just gonna mix it all together until I have the nice soft butter. Also don't forget the pinch of salt, sorry. That's it. I have the oven on 170 degrees and I have the mold here that I'm gonna use. I use this spray, cake release spray. You can, if you don't have, you can use the butter and a little bit of flour. I'm just gonna put all of it on the mold. So the blueberries, I'm gonna add them on the end, and I'm just gonna leave them on the top, just a little bit, push them a little bit onto the cake, but not all the way down, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven until it's all nice and brown and cooked all the way through. If you don't like the blueberries, you can definitely change the fruit, or also you can leave it without any fruit if you like. But the blueberry gives it a really nice taste. There you have it, the lemon and blueberry cake. So I just put a little bit of icing sugar on top of it and just cut it when it's nice and warm, or you can cut it when it's cold, doesn't matter. So yeah, so I hope you liked the video. I will show you in a picture how it looks inside. I will also leave you the ingredients in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.